Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord 2T, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. First of all, go into Devices Settings. Now you need to scroll down and choose Password and Security. Then click on Face over here, enter your current screen lock and tap on Continue. Then follow all of those instructions and remember to keep your face in frame. After that, you need to click on Done. And now, when I click on Home button, turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!